Looking for a new high-quality gaming mousepad? Agile Mats has exactly what you're looking for. Waterproof, wear resistance, high-quality locked edge, non-slip bottoms, and high-pattern accurate natural rubber makes their print stand out above the others. The smooth surface allows for accurate mouse movement in the heat of intense gaming. They offer tons of different options, from solid colors to game-specific graphics to customized graphics to your liking. Just look at what they did for me. Head on over to agilemats.com and use code PETTYFIXES to get 10% off your order. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Joe from Petty Fixes. So today I got an arrival in the mail, and it's from EK. I plan on redoing my whole entire system, and I'm getting my pieces in little by little, but this is something that I've been interested in since I've actually first laid eyes on it. I saw it in someone's build before and I was like, man, that looks real good. So I decided to go ahead and purchase it for myself. This is the EK XTOP Revo D5 RGB pump top. You're gonna hear my son in the background, I'm sorry. But before we jump into this video, do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, drop me a like, and I appreciate it, guys. So what I want to do today for real is I just want to unbox this and show you guys exactly what's in this box, because even now I don't even know what's in the box yet. I kind of opened it, but I haven't opened it, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and jump into it. So a lot of you guys may know that I'm actually redoing my system completely. I actually plan on redoing the whole entire custom loop, and I got a lot of things I'm trying to do with it. I noticed my temps have been a little high, so that's the main reason for me wanting to do it. Plus there's some things I want to add to it and some things I want to take out of it. So with that said, let's go ahead and check this bad boy out. If I can figure out how to open it. I guess so. You open it from this side, and got some little literature right there. It tells you what to expect inside the box, and don't forget other EK products for your liquid cooling system and stuff like that. So I'm not worried about that. I got tons of stuff. So we got, I guess, the instruction manual that you need to, see everything. And then this looks like a little shock mount of some sort. I'm not exactly sure what kind of shock mount it is, but it's a shock mount. Then you have the actual mount itself. So this actually attaches to your case, and there's other ways to attach this to your case. It could sit, vertically, or it could sit horizontally, or whatever, whichever way you want it, really. You have to order different accessories to make that happen, but you can do it though. And then you have some screws, like Allen screws, and then all your appropriate washers and stuff that you need. And then you have the actual pump top itself. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up real quick. Move some more of this stuff out the way. And the screws out the way, set that all over there. Let's go ahead and crack this open real quick just to see how it looks. And I'm gonna tell y'all my plans with this, because I got some pretty good plans with this, and you guys gonna see it's a pretty unique build that I got going on. So this right here is the this is the RGB version. They sell it without RGB and they sell it with RGB. Okay, so now that we got it out of the bag in the box, let's take a good overview of this thing. It's really nice. It's built very, very well. Nothing seems like misaligned or unevenly spaced. I really like the way it looks. Now, the thing that struck me most about this was it has a two-port functionality thing. So there's only one inlet and one outlet. Obviously there's only one inlet, but there's only one outlet. And it seems like this right here is the outlet, which that's fine, it's my son in the background. But you're gonna see what I plan on doing. This is the inlet, and then this is the outlet. I'm fine with that, as I said. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to my computer, and I'm going to show you exactly what I plan on replacing, how I plan on doing some things, and how exactly I plan on fitting this into my system. So let's go. Okay, so here we are at my computer, and as you can see, it looks totally fine to you guys, but me, I noticed some things are off, and I just want to change up the look of my PC for real. I just want to give it like a different look. So here's the pump I was talking about. Here's the pump res combo that I got from Alpha Cool. Now it's great and all, you know, but look at how it's mounted. Now me myself being me, I thought it was gonna be pretty cool mounted this way, and it is. It actually is, you know. And it looks good. It does its purpose, but when I first installed this, man, let me tell you, it was a hassle bleeding the system out, being that it's mounted, you know, sideways like that. So for me, like, yeah, it was an extremely difficult process trying to get it all mounted and stuff. So what I plan on doing is I'm gonna take the pump out of this. I'm gonna take the pump out of this. I'm gonna put it inside this right here, and I'm gonna completely redo my loop. I'm gonna turn my graphics card vertically, so I won't have this bottom radiator down here no more. It's a slim radiator, and potentially I could fit it, but I don't think it'll be able to fit with those fans. So I want to keep my RGB. I want to keep those LL120 fans, but I'm gonna turn this sideways. I'm gonna get a different block, a completely different block for my CPU. I'm gonna get a mono block from Bits Power. I found out they make one for my Gigabyte Aorus X470 gaming Wi-Fi board, and that's exactly what I need. And that board is chock full of RGB, tons of RGB on that board. So you guys will see that in action pretty soon. I'm also going to be changing the fittings that you see right here. I'm going to be changing those fittings. That color on them is like currently like a blue. I did it with the intentions of having a white and blue build, but I changed my mind. I just want just chrome fittings, and we're gonna move on with that. And you can see those fittings are all over my whole build. I got blue right there, you know, up in there by my pony. Got them right there. I mean, they're everywhere, you know. So I want to change that also. But basically, I'm gonna have a radiator in the back here. I'll put a radiator back there. If I could fit one down here, I will. I don't think I'll be able to, but I'm gonna keep one up top also. So those are my plans for this build, guys. And if you guys have any suggestions on what I can do better, or if you want to see an idea come to fruition, you let me know. Comment down below. Give my video a like. It helps me out a lot. Subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace. If you guys like this video, drop me a like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot and helps me bring you guys more of the content that you love. Thanks for watching.